Didn't see you there. Well, welcome to Dearlis's Delicious Desserts. Today's episode is going out for you poor college students out there. I know most of you are not allowed to have conventional ovens in your room, so I'm going to show you how you can prepare delicious desserts in your room, cheap and safe-wise. Today we'll be using the Easy Bake Oven. Before preparing these treats in said oven, first you will need to do a brief equipment check. You will need an Easy Bake Oven, a bowl to mix the ingredients in, the ingredients themselves, a pan tool, a baking pan, a spatula, spoon, a Phillips screwdriver, and a 100-watt light bulb. Warning: do not use a soft white light bulb or a long life white bulb or any bulb that's above or below 100 watts. This is a safety precaution. Step 2. You need to install your 100-watt light bulb before you can begin baking in the oven. Warning: make sure the device is unplugged, for you do not want to get electrocuted. To install your light bulb, you must unscrew the 4 screws that are in the back of the Easy Bake Oven, which my hand will indicate right here, right here, right here, and right here. After you've unscrewed all 4 of the screws, take the back out to expose the area to which you're going to install the light bulb to. Now screw in the light bulb until it's secure in the back part of the Easy Bake. Then replace it to the back of the Easy Bake and begin to screw in all 4 screws once again. Alright, this takes us to step 3. Now plug in your Easy Bake Oven and allow it to preheat for 15 minutes. Step 4 is preparing the Easy Bake mix for cooking. First, take your Easy Bake cake mix and pour it into your bowl. Then take 1½ spoonfuls of water and add it to your cake mix. Then stir mix until all lumps are gone. Make sure that when putting it in the pan that you try to even it out so it can create a more consistent cooking time. We have now reached step 5, which is baking your cake. Take your baking pan with the cake mix distributed in there and place it onto your pan tool. Put the pan tool with the cake mix on it into the oven. Use your finger to carefully move the pan off of the pan tool and push it slightly into the oven. 2 to 3 inches past the entry point will do. The cooking time for your Easy Bake Delicious cake should be around 12 minutes. While you're waiting, I would suggest you get some leisurely reading. I chose the Easy Bake Manual. Alright, step 6 is to finally push your cake out of the oven and onto a hard surface. Using your pan tool, gently nudge the cake from the middle of the oven to the outward slot. Once the cake is exposed as thus, use your spatula tool and pan tool to gently get the cake out. Place the cake onto the counter and let cool for approximately 15 minutes. This brings us to our last and final step, which is step 7. Unplug your oven. And for those who are creative, decorate your cake and enjoy.